Have you ever wondered? Is it possible to send drone to the space? Drones are typically used to making movies or fly for fun, but no one sends drone to the space. Is there any problem with drone to send them into space? Regular drones, like the ones you see flying around, aren't built to go into space. They're made for flying in Earth's atmosphere, not beyond it. Drones fly using rotors powered by batteries. But in space, there's no air to push against, so those rotors wouldn't work. Drones rely on batteries to stay in the air. But drone doesn't give enough fly time to reach space, and controlling drones so far is impossible. While it might sound cool to send a regular drone into space, it's just not something they're built for. They're meant to zip around in our atmosphere, not float around in the vacuum of space. If you want to go to space, subscribe.